Hey, Tim.
Hi, Wei-Jia, long time no speak.
Yeah. Well, let me share screen first, and then we can. There's not much today. We can probably go through this quick, and then I just have something to maybe to share, and then decide what to put there. I think they're being the code has been updated very well. But let me show you. Share. Okay, we have the pull requests that have been all completed, and then I accepted already. And then the so far it's the everything has been ported, and then the also Stata has been kind of reconfigured, so they work with the latest API, so that works fine. And then there are two issues here. Okay, so the first issue is the secondary meetup presentation for Smoot project, right? And this originally we mentioned that we are going to do it November 18th, but David come back saying that it's just almost a week after the cacti presentation. So he suggested that we separate it. So I will be presenting with cacti next week and about Smoot. And then we are going to have a separate one uh, next year, January, because Mary is off right now. She cannot do it on December. So that is this issue. So
These are both virtual.
yeah, virtual. Yeah. We don't
Okay.
need to do it. Yeah. And then it is virtual. Just like the one we did last time. So this is then we'll have a chance to work with Cacti team and then to see if the possibility there we may work together on that one. So this is one issue that's pending. And then another one which is bigger is the adding the support of this one, the ERC 3643 support. We want to take this as an example for that. And I have looked at the implementation already that we did, and then we kind of have a sample ERC 3643 token, and then they also deploy it. It's fine. Also in one-chain testnet, and then we're going to do some work to kind of make it transferable. So there will be one example for the implementation ERC20. So that's one other thing. So I haven't put the code over here because it's in the in one chance GitHub, so I haven't put it there yet. But you're fine with it, right? We are moving this ERC 3643 code into here as an example, as an implementation example.
Yeah, I have no issues.
Okay. And then third thing, okay, is um, Anis, okay, proposed that um, there are two solicitations in the Linux Ethereum Foundation. And she was asking if we are interested in kind of working with them to apply for the funding. So what I was thinking, okay, so I tell her that I would talk to the team. I was thinking is that we can put those as part of smooth implementation, saying that we want to develop this technology layer and then help contribute a common component to the Ethereum Foundation. And these two things are, first is the transport layer. Okay, how do you maintain the record? How do you maintain the privacy? The kind of common transport layer. I think that's in line with what we have been doing. Another one is the privacy uh, for the relayer. Okay? If you have a relayer transfer, how can we kind of do a privacy cross chain? And there's a solicitation for that. So the timeline is, I think, it started now and then ends in January. The solicitation process is ends in January 6th, and this will be additional work. So I was telling Anise that we talked to the team, And I think my idea is that just put it in the Smoot, and then we use this as a development of a common component and propose that to EF. What do you think?
How does funding work for this? If all the contributions to Smoot are voluntary, but the ownership belongs to Linux Foundation or LFDT. So how does a project like Smoot apply for funding from EF?
No, this will be no. It's sorry. It's I would say that the funding still need to sue enterprise, right? Because the fund goes to the company that works on it, the project work on it, right? So it would be the way I see it is that one chain will work with Anise Protect to propose developing this technology. And we will say that this development will be under open source development framework, which is in LLDT. And then we are the one who deliver the development of the technology, but will be under the open source development. And then the develop component will be under this the kind of support of Ethereum Foundation, whatever they need, right? Legally, they say they own the code or somehow. I haven't looked at the detail as the ownership of the developed product, but we can say that this is under the open source development framework. But we
I
carry out
see.
the work. Yeah.
I see. Yeah. Assuming it flows in that direction, I think that's fine.
Okay. Yeah. Then I can propose to protect. Maybe they they come back saying that no, they want to own that piece of technology as well. They don't want to make it open source, and then we need to have more discussion on that. Okay. Maybe then we separate it from Smooth. That's another. But I think I feel that they could be
They
EF.
should, yeah, they should like having the open source should be a value add for them. So I think that should be fine. But of
Okay.
course, we'll just have to wait and see what they say.
Okay, okay. So yeah, these were proposed by Anis to me actually just yesterday. So I think because this is in line with the 3643 as well. So we can say that okay, we will implement this layer open source, and then we'll maintain privacy. And then another thing I want to mention to them about Midnight. Okay, and then Midnight is also LFTT, right? And if needed, we can say that there is another FTT project over there, which is about privacy with zero knowledge proof. Then we can mention that in the proposal as well. So those are kind of detailed discussions.
Yeah, that sounds good. I like seeing various projects like that come together.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, and yeah, I think and also good to know that shielded technology has make another LFDT project. So we are closer now actually, but they haven't ported the code yet. I just asked them. They said they haven't ported the code yet. So
Yeah, I saw that. But yeah, I think it shows that at least we're on the right track with this, seeing good projects like Midnight and or slash Shielded also incubate projects in LFDT.
yeah. Okay, so that is it for today. I'm not sure you have other things that you want to go through. Uh,
No, I think just having a quick call like this is fine for today.
yeah. Okay, I think the only thing they've been putting in the pull request already, and I accepted already. So I was hoping that this work will be the ERC 3043 will be. I hope next time we should have something here, hopefully. Yeah. Okay, and now
Yeah,
we have a
sounds good.
discussion with Cacti, and then there will be opening up another opportunity as well. So. That is cool. So let me reply to Anise saying that yes, I talked to the team. We are good to kind of explore more on that, and then let me update you on these things. Yeah.
All right, great. Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Great talking to you.
Yeah, talk soon. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank
Bye-bye.
you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.